Hi everyone, in this video we'll be saying about mirror formula and magnification. Okay, so here let us start. Mirror formula is applicable for all the spherical mirrors for all the positions. We know the positions of a convex and a concave mirror, right? So I'm not mentioning that again. Mirror formula is applicable for all the cases of a spherical mirrors. This mirror formula is used to find either the focal length of the mirror or the image distance or the object distance. Okay, wow. So here mirror formula gives the relation between object distance, image distance and focal length of the mirror. To know what is image distance, object distance and focal length, just go through my previous videos from the light chapter. Okay, for now I'm just writing it off. These three terms are related with each other as in reciprocals. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. So this is mirror's formula, which will give you the relation between the object distance, image distance and the focal length. If you don't know the focal length, the value of focal length for a mirror, you can replace this with the radius of curvature. We already know that radius of curvature is related with f as r is equals to 2f, which means f is equals to r by 2. I'm just substituting over here. So 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. So this entire term get reciprocated and becomes 2 by r. This is one more formula. Depending on the type of problem or the given data, you can replace this formula. Okay, and then we'll see what is f for concave and convex mirror. Let's take concave, convex, principal axis. Okay, concave, now you have your reflecting surface inward. According to sign convention, the object is always placed to the left. Remember, f will be here, no? For concave mirror, the principal focus will be inside, in front of it. Okay, so let's take this. We already know, according to sign convention, the distances that are measured to the left of pole are always negative, which means for concave f value is negative. Okay, now see for convex mirror, this is your reflecting surface, this is just a coating. Again, object is placed to the left pole, but here focus will be behind it, which means in the direction to the right side of pole, the distances measured are positive, which means the focal length for convex mirror is always positive. So these are the points you have to remember when you are solving for u, v or f. Mirror formula is given by 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f, r is equals to 2f, f is equals to r by 2. Replacing that over here, you will get 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 2 by r. So these u and v distances are measured with respect to the pole again using sign convention. Okay, here I didn't use any sign convention. We have just written the relation between these. Now we'll see about magnification. Magnification gives you the factor by which an image is magnified. Okay, and this is calculated using the ratio. Let's take it is represented with the letter m. Let's take it, the factor is given with height of the image to height of the object or distance of the image to distance of the object. This m is used to give how much magnification is this object. If it is a positive number, or a digit like 1, 2, 3, 4, like a integer, which means m value is an integer, then it means the object will form an image which is magnified. But if it is giving the value of m as decimals, then the image formed is diminished, okay, which is smaller in size compared to the object. This is m value h prime by h, b by u, okay va. From this we'll get h prime is equals to m into h. If m is greater than 1, then image is magnified or enlarged. You will use the word enlarged, okay. M is less than 1, then image is diminished. If m is equals to 1, height of the image is equals to height of the object, or distance of the image is equals to distance of the object, which means same as the object. The size of the image is same as the object, or distance of the image is exactly distance of the object from the mirror. So this is all about mirror formula and magnification. In order to know the sign convention, just go through my videos on the previous topics. Comment if you want to know more topics, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.